Okay guys, here's a rendering explanation of what this is. If we salvage the existing base and uppers, you have a 14-foot run from the corner to here. So we would keep the base cabinets. We'd have to modify this one a little bit with the new oven cabinet here, and the upper would have to be rebuilt or modified for the plate racks. So you can see in the bid the price to replace everything, and then the price to keep these with the modifications and repainting and new doors. So what we, if we do this, what we will build is a fridge cabinet here, and there would be another piece that comes down to balance that out. Your fridge cabinet, uppers above it, the new oven cabinet, the work to modify these two, the new doors, the bar area. I put this back in here just to give it a separation and a break to make this look like its own little area, which I think it needs. This is the beverage fridge and the ice maker. If you do decide to do an ice maker like this, this would be the alcohol cabinet with the locking door. We could angle it across and see what that looks like. It might look cleaner just to keep a straight shot on there instead of jogging it out. And that depends on how much granite you have, if you can get away with doing that. And then the floating shelves. The island, of course, we would need to redo. And this is the size of the island that we went over with. A couple posts for support. This is just a panel, because if that was a door, you'd open it and hit the post. So that's just a panel. These doors open up. This would be a door on the side, as well as this would be a door here too. And let me roll around to the front of the island. Apron sink, the dishwasher to the right, and we could do the trash pullout right here, or another spot we could put the appliance lift right here, or on the side or the end of the island. The appliance lift here, trash, and you have a drawer above it. So take a look at this and let me know what you think. And if you have any suggestions or tweaks, or maybe we don't want to commit to a big ice maker like this, we can find something else, but let me know what you think. Great. Thanks, guys.